So that all the way down there, my starter motor, is what I'm working on today. This is a 2000 2.5 TDI VW T4. So that right there is what I will be removing. And I thought, you know what, as this is my van and I'm slowly doing it up bit by bit, why not film it? Never know, might help someone along the way. So let's get into it. Sorry if this is not the clearest. Right there's a ground. It is a 13mm. That needs to come off first. Take that off, replace the bolt so you know where it goes. Next, there is this bolt, and there's one around the top. There's also, before we do that, there is a couple of connectors that need to also be taken off. There's just these couple of connectors there. They need to come off. And then once they're off, you need to take off that bolt, and if I can show you, just about see it, just up there. It's not the clearest, but just up in there. And the whole starter motor could be removed. The reason I'm using this is because the Allen head has rounded out, so I had to hammer that into it. And the last one, let's see if I can. The last one, I'm not quite sure if you can see it, but right up there, just up there, you can just see it. You got the top bolt off. It's just this last one, and then it comes straight out. Ready for your new one, your refurbished one, whatever you're gonna put in. There we do, give it a little wiggle and it falls out, and boom. One starter motor fully removed.